The Dom Luís Bridge in Porto is a magnificent architectural marvel that attracts tourists from all over the world. This famous bridge over the Douro River is a symbol of the city's rich history and stunning scenery. The Dom Luís Bridge, designed by Théophile Seyrig, a pupil of Gustave Eiffel, was built in 1886. Its two-story structure connects Porto Ribeira's historic district with the Vila Nova de Gaia neighborhood, offering spectacular views of both sides of the river. The Dom Luís Bridge also serves as an important transportation link for both pedestrians and vehicles. Various attractions on both sides of the river, such as port wine cellars and historical sites, can be reached from here. Tourists flock to the Dom Luís Bridge to admire its intricate iron structure and enjoy panoramic views of Porto's charming waterfront and colorful buildings. In conclusion, if you are planning a trip to Porto, be sure to include a visit to Dom Luís Bridge in your itinerary. It offers not only beautiful scenery, but also a glimpse into Porto's rich history and architectural heritage.